Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you are all having a good time. Today we will make Vada Kootu curry. This is a popular Sadhya dish from Tiruvanandapuram, Kerala, which is quite different from other Sadhya recipes. I usually make this as a side dish for chapatis, naans and the like. Let's start by making Methu Vada or Urid Vada. Take half a cup or 3/4 of a cup of Urid Dal. Since I like more vadas in my curry, I am taking 3/4 of a cup of Urid Dal. Wash it 3 to 4 times or until the water runs clean and soak it for 3 to 4 hours. Discard all the excess water and blend it into a thick paste by adding 2 to 3 teaspoons of water as and when necessary. Now keep this aside for 1 to 2 hours for the Urid Dal to ferment a bit. This will make the vada softer. Finely chop 5 to 6 shallots, a small piece of ginger and a green chilli along with some curry leaves. Add this to the fermented batter. Also add salt and a few crushed peppercorns. Mix all the ingredients well and start making vada. Since we are putting the vada in the curry, I am making it in small rounds. Drop the batter into the oil and let it get cooked completely or until both sides turn golden brown in color. My batter got completed in 2 batches. Keep it aside for a while. Moving on to the gravy preparation, roughly chop 1 medium-sized onion, 5 to 6 green chilies and about this much of ginger. I am also adding some curry leaves. Take 2 medium-sized potatoes and chop it into small cubes. Keep it soaked in water so that it won't change the color. Into the pot goes some coconut oil. Add all the vegetables except potatoes. Saute well. As soon as it turns translucent, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. Give it a good mix, and once the raw smell goes away, add potatoes. Give it a good mix, adding some salt at this point. Here I have taken the first extract and second and third combined extract of about 3/4 of a coconut. Cook the potatoes with about 1.5 cup of the second extract of coconut milk. Now we'll let the potatoes cook. Give it a stir every now and then. Once the potatoes are done, add the rest of the second extract of coconut milk, which comes to about 1.5 cups. Now add vadas into the gravy. This recipe requires a little bit more coconut milk as the vadas will absorb water. Add salt if required. Now add the first extract of coconut milk. Half a teaspoon of garam masala. This is homemade garam masala. I will give the link down below. Once you add the first extract of coconut milk, don't let it come to a boil. Just simmer it for 1 or 2 minutes and switch off the flame. Adding some more curry leaves. The gravy will keep getting thicker and thicker as you keep it. Hope you like this video. See you soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.